How to fix if your start button is not working on Windows. What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix if start button is not working. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your run dialog box, and to do that you just hold Windows plus R key simultaneously and your run dialog box will pop up. Here you're going to type regedit, which will open up your registry editor. Click on yes and your registry editor will open up. Now from here you want to go to HKey current user and then software. Now from here you want to go to Microsoft. So scroll down until you find Microsoft. And once you do so, you just click on Microsoft. Then from here, what you have to do is find Windows. So scroll down until you find Windows. So right here, click on Windows. From the Windows drop down, what you're going to do is open current users and current versions. And from current version, you are going to find Explorer. So right here, click on Explorer. And then from here, click on Advanced. So from here, what you are going to do is create a new value. So right click on this blank space, click on new and create a new dword 32-bit value. Now you have to carefully name this how I'm going to type it right here. So you're going to type enable, and you cannot mess up the characters uppercase or lowercase. So click on enable XAML and then start menu. So make sure that this start menu M is capital and click on OK. So double click on it and make sure that your value is set to 0. Click on OK. Now just give your PC a quick restart, and after that your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.